The example 3 is Judy worked so diligently. Again, this is adverb after so, that she received an increase in salary. So the effect was, so the cause was hard work, diligent hard work, और जो effect है वो increment in the salary है. Further examples, the soup tastes so good, an adjective, that everyone will ask for more. So again, soup की जो taste है, that is the cause, और जो effect है, that happens to be everybody asking more for it. Another example is the little boy looks so unhappy. This word so is followed by an adjective again, that led to that we all feel sorry for her. So this is the cause, that he looks unhappy, that everybody felt, so the cause, effect turned out that everybody felt sorry for the guy, or for the girl for that matter. Another example, the student had behaved so badly that he was dismissed from the class. So badly is adverb. The cause was the bad behavior, and this effect turned out to be a dismissal from the class. This was all about adverb and adjective after the verb so. इसके अलावा आपको एक और चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि वो रूल्स मालूम हो कि जब आप इन क्लॉजेस में अगर आपके पास इंटेंसिव मॉडिफायर्स हों, लाइक मैनी, फ्यू एंड अदर मोर, जिसको हम फर्दर स्टडी करेंगे, तो आप फिर इन सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर को कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. इन केस यू हैव many and few, these are the two, then these must be followed by the plural count now. So the sentence structure will be, this first clause is like subject verb followed by so, and now this is many and few, which is a modifier. This followed by a plural count noun,